Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Katrina the Traveler, and today we are looking at a serious situation happening in Nairobi where heavy rains have caused massive flooding across several areas here in Nairobi. Not just in Nairobi actually. This thing is happening even to other places in Kiambu, in Mara. I'm going to show you some pictures, but in Nairobi it is massive. Nairobi is in a mess.
Mpaka naona gari inabebwa lakini situation inarudi chini. Wale walikaa wakaomba, Mungu amewasikiza, gari ijaenda nao. You can see them. Wamekaa wameomba, sasa hata kulia machozi imeisha. Namba 0707077905. 0707 Sule my guy. Thank you for Sule my guy. Thank you for sharing the number. Sule, that is majority leader mwenyewe. Majority leader. Sijui kama mnajua the Canonas Versace. Majority leader Catalina, thank you so much. Wale wametuma, huyo amekuwa rescued, amefika mpaka mali amekuwa rescued. Ameshindwa hata kutembea. Na hii ni barabara hizi mto. Hii ni barabara ifikia hadi Sakaja. Nitafute kwa baba. Nabiro mimi yamo. Na mandipoa. Ulizapo leo.
In this video, I'm going to show you what is happening on the ground and the most affected areas. First, I would like to pass my condolences to all the families who have lost their loved ones, and we wish also quick recovery to those people who are sick in hospital and others are sick at home, and also for those who lost their properties. May God reward you back what you lost. How are Kenyans coping with the floods, especially here in Nairobi? If you're planning to travel or you live in Nairobi, these measures are for you. Avoid flooded roads. We have seen on the videos people being swept and also their cars being swept. So guys, please do not try to walk or drive through flooded roads. Water may be deeper or moving faster than it looks, and it can sweep vehicles and people away. Move to higher ground. If water levels are rising near your home, move to a higher place such as upper floor or safer areas. If water starts coming in, please make sure that you look on a safer place, like going to second floor, third floor, fourth floor, or even on the rooftop for you to be safe. If water starts entering the house, switch off electricity from the main switch to avoid electric shock. Stay away from rivers and drainages. Avoid areas near rivers, bridges, and drainages channel because they can overflow quickly. And due to that, let me show you of a video at Mara River.
Hapa ni Mara River. Ukiona hapo pana kuanga na bridge. Na already imefungwa sana na maji. Hakuna mtu anaweza pita atoke Mara River ukiwa North Conservancy. Huwezi fika huko Maralianda. Miji imevukwa yote. Wanasemanga hapa pako na mapepo. Watu wamekufa kama 100. Nadhani serikali inafaa kusaidia. Huku Mara wananijanga Kasungu. Na kitu yenye naweza wasaidia nayo, usiwahi jaribu maji kama mtaki kifo. Na kushukuru nilitafuta pale kwa TikTok. Wamasai tupatane. Ni chopa tu inaenda huku. Watu wote wa kambi yetu tumekuja kujionea. Kisanga tunasikianga kunaweza fungiwa Masai Mara, nikusikia tunasikianga. Sasa tumefungiwa. Tumeona hadi hipo imekufia pale mwisho. Wacha nikuonyeshe. Watu wanaiwatch hapo. Ndio imekufa. Kazi zimefungiwa huku. Hata huwezi dhani kuna bridge hapa. Wa! Watu wako saidi ile wamefungiliwa. Hii ndio inaitwa Mala River, the bridge yenye unasikianga. Anataka kujaribu maji. Wa! Angalia watu huko. Watu wamekuja kuona hii mto, wanasema iko na mapepo. Wazungu wamekuja kuona pia. Nasikia hii maji iko na mapepo, inaweza kubeba.
You can follow weather and government updates on their website. I hope they're updating something concerning these floods that is happening in Nairobi. And through that, you're going to see which area will have heavy rains so that you can take all these precautions. Drink water, flashlight, power banks. Make sure that your power bank is full just in case your phone goes off. First aid kit and important documents in waterproof bags. Like maybe you have your ID, you have your passport, you have your KCSE or KCP results, or your employment letter. Please make sure that you have them on a waterproof bags. This is very, very important. Protect your health. Flooded water can contain sewage and bacteria. Wash your hands. Avoid drinking contaminated water and boil water before use to prevent diseases like cholera and typhoid fever. At this moment, with the floods that is going on, I believe within no time, you're going to find people getting cholera, getting typhoid because of contamination. Be careful. Help vulnerable people. I saw some people who live along Kirinyaga Road. I saw on news that some of them were swept away by the floods. If you can assist, please try as much as you can to help the children, elderly people, and neighbors who may need your assistance. Please don't be mean. For business people in Nairobi, the main question is now, what next? Here are the most important steps businesses should consider. 1. Access damage immediately. Floods can destroy equipment, leading to major financial losses if not accessed quickly. It happened yesterday night. Today it is very sunny. Actually, you can't even tell that it's going to rain at night. Make sure that you are in your shop so that you can see what was lost to avoid another loss. Also, at this moment, I would recommend people to shift to online business. Even though I know a lot of Kenyans at the moment, you do your businesses online, because this is going to help you even when you're still at home, you're not able to go to your shop. You can be able to sell your products even during this rainy season. Also, at this moment, I would recommend people to shift to online business. Even though I know a lot of Kenyans at the moment, you do your businesses online, because this is going to help you even when you're still at home, you're not able to go to your shop. You can be able to sell your products even during this rainy season. You can sell through Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, and Instagram, and also on Twitter. You can consider business insurance, and this is going to help you to cover losses during disaster. This is a good one. You can look for opportunities. After floods, demand usually increases for construction and repairs, cleaning services, water pumps and drainage services, transport services, and food delivery. You know, we say here in Nairobi, once it just drops, if you're paying your bus fare, maybe for example 100 shillings, just know you're going to pay 200 or even 150 for those who at least are lenient kidogo. But this is also a business opportunity that the transport industry take from Kenya. Floods continue to affect many business and families in Nairobi. Stay safe, help your neighbors, and always follow weather updates. I'll see you next. My name is Katrina the Traveler. Please make sure that you subscribe. Be safe.